Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Well, this is the first time I'm noticing that there's 30% off any furniture decor. Well, these are the Halloween items, but come in and cozy up. I like that. So I'm really liking this piece. I need to measure where I am to see if this fits. So 30% off $199 is $139.99. And I'm really liking these amber items. And I like this. I like this lantern. And I like this little tree. It's so cute. All right. So I'm liking this trunk. And this is a wood pumpkin. Absolutely love it. So, and this one too. I like this pumpkin. And then you have these lights. $48.99. So they were $69.99, 30% off. So they look pretty. So look at this. Look at this piece here. I really like it. So that's $139.99. I like this piece. And here, oh, look at this. I'm really loving this piece. And there's some dividers and some stools. So let's see, this stool here is on sale for $69.99. I like this, but I don't have anything tall enough, but there is one. So here's a smaller one, $59.49. I gotta get some furniture in the house. I like this table. So nice. Look at these pumpkins. So these are $25.99. And I'm liking this rack. So the rack is $99.39. And let's go over here and see what else they have. So I'm absolutely loving that pampas grass. You see that? Absolutely gorgeous. That is so beautiful, but now I don't know how much they are. Isn't that adorable? That is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm loving the size of that pumpkin. And here's the pampas grass in that orange color. I think I like the white. So those are these throw rugs. And that is $13.99, and I'm liking this rack. And I like these lanterns. Okay, let's see, $40.99. Those are beautiful lanterns though. Okay, and then I think this is the little Christmas corner. So this is the cabinet that was over there. $299.59, 30% off, and I'm loving those lanterns. Beautiful. Look at that. Isn't he adorable? So he's on sale for $249.99. I'm loving the little trees. And look at the picture of Santa. It's so cute. Okay, so that is it for the front of the store of Hobby Lobby. Let's go inside.